People are often intimidated by speed lights, also known as on-camera flashes. And I'm here to ease your mind. They're really quite simple. Speed lights are used in dark locations where you need to light up your subject. They're also used on bright sunny days to fill in shadows. Here are the main features on the back of a speed light that you'll need to understand. The mode button is the most important one. Pressing the mode button will give you different options for operating the flash. First one is TTL or ETL. TTL stands for through the lens. This is an automatic setting for when the flash is on your camera's hot shoe. The flash works with the brains of your camera to determine how much flash to use. It knows how much light is already in your scene, where your subject is, what lens you are using, and how far you've zoomed in or zoomed out. M is for manual. You will set the power, the flash burst yourself. This is a good one to use if ETL isn't working for you, or if you are wanting a consistent level of flash. In manual mode, you can adjust the power of your flash from 1 to 1, meaning full power, all the way down to a small fraction of that power. Multi-mode setting is like a strobe that fires off multiple flashes. It's used for special effects. We're not going to go into that in this video. Most photographers use ETL or manual. A couple more settings to be aware of are high speed sync and second curtain shutter. These have to do with the timing of your flash in relation to the timing of your shutter. If you are shooting very bright light with a shutter speed of over 1/250th of a second, set your flash to a high speed sync. This will ensure that your shutter will not close before the flash burst has finished. If you are shooting inside in low light with a shutter speed below 1/60th of a second, put your speed light on second curtain shutter. This will cause the flash to burst right before your shutter closes, instead of right when it opens, and will prevent unwanted blur or movement in your image. Come in and see our experts at Horn Photo to learn more about speed lights and see which one is right for your camera. Got the picture?